Hello, this is Jammal Baba. Today is October 25th, 2023. I want to do analysis of a song that Abibu Oluwa sang for Onibudo Ẹẹṣọ. Who is Onibudo Ẹẹṣọ? It was a commercial trader that has a shop on Lagos Island at the Saleko settlement. You guys remember when I told you guys there are 5 settlements on Lagos Island? The very first one was Saleko. The second settlement was Ologbo. The third settlement was Okwaguda. The fourth settlement was Okofaji. The fifth settlement was Ekpetedo. So Onibudo Ẹẹṣọ's shop was in the first settlement. So he engaged in selling electric features, light bulbs, varieties of it, and electronics. In this song, you hear this story of how he had a difficult experience. And what was that difficult experience? Because in the lyric he said, Ọlọ́run ló kó níbùdó yọ, ìkúnlẹ̀ abiyamọ ni ò jẹ́ kó níbùdó ṣe ẹjọ́. It was the mercy of the Almighty and the blessing of His maternal guiding spirit that helped save him from a lawsuit. He has his shop, electronic features, on the main commercial sector of the island, district in the portion of the Isaleko area. And he has his own security. Yes, he'll have strong metal doors and all that, but that probably wasn't enough to deter criminals from breaking in when the shop is closed. So he had his own crude security system that he has with the electrical setup. Well, an individual tried to break in and got electrocuted. So the family of the individual, they threatened to press charges. So kò sóhun tuntun lábẹ́ ọ̀run o, olè ò ní tìjú, olè wọn ò ní tìjú. He broke into someone's shop to steal, and when that didn't work out, then your family threatened to file a lawsuit. So there are multiple layers of lessons in this song. I'll let you guys listen to it. In this one, I'll just play the whole thing first, and then I'll come back. I'll roll with the talking drum after that. So you guys pray for me that I'm able to hold back and not say much about the talking drum in the first iteration. All right, let's go. lọ́ba kò sírú Olódùmarè. Olúwa nìkan lọ́ba kò sírú Olódùmarè. Láìláìláńlá ó wà mí ṣe. Wọ́n lásìkí àbùkún àlùbáríkà, àlùbáríkà, àrísìkí owó lókùtà ń retí. Lọ́hùn kó níbùdó yọ, ìkúnlẹ̀ abiyamọ ni ó jẹ́ kọ́ba kò so ṣẹjọ́. Kẹ́mi ọkọ̀ Àbẹ̀kẹ́ akọ̀ṣàdíyà ibùdó mi ẹ̀kọ́ Olúwa dákun ná oríṣiríṣi variety ìkan òjọ̀kan onírúurú variety of electric features lábẹ́ àmì ṣọlá. Ní pa ni ayé ní dá ni ayé ní ṣe ni ayé tá fi inú ọ̀tán dá ni dákun yàyà gàsíkì yàyà yàyà míyà ló àgbẹ́kẹ̀ láyé àgbẹ́kẹ̀ láyé àgbẹ́kẹ̀ lé ẹ̀dá asán. Yé ló ní ibùdó ń jẹ, ẹ jẹ́ kó ní ibùdó jayé. Ayé ní ń dá ni ayé ní ń ṣe ni ayé tá ń fi inú ọ̀tán dá ni dákun yàyà gàsíkì yàyà yàyà míyà ló àgbẹ́kẹ̀ láyé àgbẹ́kẹ̀ láyé àgbẹ́kẹ̀ lé ẹ̀dá asán. You see some of those lines too, those lines recycled by later Sakara musicians. So now let's go back to it and do the drum portion of it. Ibùdó Sẹ́ríkí ń wáyà, oníbùdó Sẹ́ríkí ń wáyà, wáyà wáyà Sẹ́ríkí ń wáyà, oníbùdó Sẹ́ríkí ń wáyà. Nǹkan kan tì rí, ìṣe nǹkan kan tì rí, Ọlọ́run ọba ìṣe nǹkan kan tì rí. Yẹn ti sí àbùkún àbúgbá nígbà iná iná. Oníbùdó Sẹ́ríkí ń wáyà, oníbùdó Sẹ́ríkí ń wáyà, wáyà wáyà Sẹ́ríkí ń wáyà. Àwọn kan níbùdó yọ wáyà, Sẹ́ríkí ń wáyà, Sẹ́ríkí ń wáyà. Oníbùdó ọ̀sán gangan làṣà ó mú òròmọdìyẹ tó lòun ò fi tàṣà ṣe ọ̀sán gangan làṣà ó mú. Ìrọ̀lẹ́ alẹ́ kájá gbókòkò lẹ́nu ó di ìrọ̀lẹ́ alẹ́. Ó di ìrọ̀lẹ́ alẹ́ kájá tó lè gbókòkò lẹ́nu ó di ìrọ̀lẹ́ alẹ́. The dog cannot try to confront an hyena. Maybe on the sunset phase of life of the hyena, the dog might be, but not when an hyena is a full-fledged, not sick, not dangerously wounded, or not totally aged, and on his or her way to dying. Ó di ìrọ̀lẹ́ alẹ́ kájá tó lè gbókòkò lẹ́nu. So you have to listen to it carefully. Ó di ìrọ̀lẹ́ alẹ́ kájá tó gbókòkò lẹ́nu. But hear me say, ó di ìrọ̀lẹ́ alẹ́ kájá tó lè gbókòkò lẹ́nu. Ó di ìrọ̀lẹ́ alẹ́. That's Mimi for you. It was good. Now, if I saying there for you guys to hear the drum beat again, I'll pull it back a bit. I didn't pull it back enough. Ó di ìrọ̀lẹ́ alẹ́. Ó di ìrọ̀lẹ́ alẹ́ kájá tó lè gbókò lẹ́nu. Ó di ìrọ̀lẹ́ alẹ́. Olúwa dákun iná. Kájá. Ǹbá fàpájó. Dá ṣe mí, tèmi ni, tìrẹ ni. Mo lè fẹsẹ̀ jó. Ìbá ṣe mí, tìrẹ ni. Mo lè fi dédé ara jó gbìrìgbìrì. Onibudo. So, the people in the Saleko area, which was the first settlement on the Lagos Island, and ìbá ṣe mí, tìrẹ ni. Ìrẹ, they won't say ìwọ. Ìrẹ. Ǹbá fàpájó. Ìbá ṣe mí, tèmi, tìrẹ ni. Mo lè fi gbogbo dédé ẹsẹ̀ jó gbìrìgbìrì. Then he won't say mo lè fi gbogbo ẹsẹ̀ jó. Dédé ẹsẹ̀ jó. Mo lè fi ẹsẹ̀ jó. Mo lè fi dédé ara jó wìrìwìrì. Mo lè fi gbogbo ara. Other Yoruba will say gbogbo ara. But at Saleko, they will say dédé ara. So they will use ìrẹ for ìwọ, then dédé for gbogbo. Ìbá ṣe mí, tìrẹ ni, èmi ni. Mo lè fàpájó. Ìbá ṣe mí, tìrẹ ni. Mo lè fẹsẹ̀ jó. Ìbá ṣe mí, tìrẹ ni. Mo lè fi dédé ara jó wìrìwìrì. That way. Mo lè jẹ́ ohun tó bá lè jọ gẹ̀dẹ̀ lọ, mi ò lè jẹ́. Tó bá lè jọ gẹ̀dẹ̀ lọ, mi ò lè jẹ́. Yá ó yẹ gbogbo kó dùbú ẹkùn kò yá já. Má fi kàn mí, ara mi ò gbóògùn mú. Má fi kàn mí, ayé. Má má fi kàn mí, ara mi ò gbóògùn mu. Má fi kàn mí, má fi kàn mí. Ìbá fapájó, fapájó, fapájó. Ìbá ṣe mí yé mí, tìrẹ ni, tìrẹ ni. Mo lè fẹsẹ̀ jó, fẹsẹ̀ jó, fẹsẹ̀ jó. Ìbá ṣe mí yé mí, tìrẹ ni, tìrẹ ni. Mo lè fi dédé ara jó, bìrì. Ohun tó bá le jọ̀gẹ̀dẹ̀ lọ mi ò lè fi sẹ́nu. Kò yá já. Ó yẹran gbogbo kó dùbú ẹkùn. Kò yá já. Má fi kàn mí. Ẹ má fi kàn mí, ara mi ò gbóògùn. Interestingly, that's one of the Yoruba drum line that my two boys picked up at a young age when they will have been like 8 and 6 years old. So, but they love that line. Ẹ má fi kàn mí, ara mi ò gbóògùn mu. Ẹ má fi kàn mí. Kò yá já. Ó yẹran gbogbo kó dùbú ẹkùn. Kò yá já. And don't forget your do re mi. You guys remain blessed. Leave comment. I'll read it.